Thank you, students, for bearing with me. I have a limited amount of time per video, but this Screencast-O-Matic is pretty handy to make these slideshow presentations, so I'm gonna work with it. All right, so let's continue acids and bases by calculating pH. pH is power of hydrogens, and the way we find pH is doing negative log, and then we enter in our concentration of hydronium or hydrogen ions. I use hydronium ions because that's more scientifically correct when we talk about pH. We used to say hydrogen ions, but then we learned that the hydrogen actually combines with a water molecule to make hydronium ions. So I'm going to use those interchangeably, but just know that when I say hydronium or hydrogen ions, I mean the same thing in this case. All right. So if you found your log button on your calculator, that should be what you need to solve these equations. Let's practice. All right, so we have our givens, we have our equation to solve for pH. pH equals negative log hydronium ions. Hydronium concentration we're going to be given is 0.001 molarity. This is pretty easy. What we do is we do negative log 0.01. We get an answer of 3. Practice that on your calculator and see if you get the same thing. Negative log 0.01. And that makes sense, right? So we know that a pH of 3 means something is acidic. If we were to look at our pH scale and examples, a pH of 3 would be something like soda. All right, let's practice another one. We have our equation. We have this big, or actually really little number of hydronium concentration. So that's going to actually be 13 zeros after the decimal and then the 1. All right, let's enter that into our calculator. Negative log 0.13 zeros and a 1, and then we press enter. We get 14. 14, a pH of 14, we know, is something basic. And something that has that pH would be Li, as in NaOH. What a basic Li that is. All right. So thank you so much for listening to this video. It should help you with your quiz and your lab and your reading. I will not give you extra credit if you comment, like, or subscribe to this video. Thank you.